How to turn on or off remind me to take a break on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off remind me to take a break option on YouTube. Easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now right here you will find many options. Choose time watched option. Now go down and you will find remind me to take a break option. You can turn it on easy, as you can see, or turn it off as you want. And it's actually very easy to turn it on. Just choose the hours and click done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.